Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to repost story on Instagram. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. But before moving forward you have to remember that you can only repost a story whenever you are tagged on that story. And whenever you are tagged on a story you will see that on your DMs. Now tap on the messenger icon on top right corner and go to your DM. And if I open this conversation, here you can see that one of my friends have mentioned me on their story. Now if I open the story, here you can see that there is an option, add this to your story. You can tap on that and then add it to your story. Otherwise you can go back and then tap on add to your story. Now you can edit it as you like. When you are done, tap on send to on bottom right corner and then tap on share. And that is how you can repost a story on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.